In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get the sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and the Android. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you just want to quickly calculate the sum, average, max, or min of your data, here's how to do it. I have my example data set right here. What I want to do is to quickly just get the total for each week for the managers. And I can easily do that by just selecting that range right here. And at the bottom, you will see right away some suggestions or the totals, average, or maximum, minimum for all of those values. If I tap on this one right here, you'll see that it has quickly calculated the sum for that range. Let's try another one for week 2. Let's say I want to get the average. Just select that range, and again, those suggested formulas will be at the bottom right there. All you have to do would be to tap on them to add them to your data. So the first one is our sum or our total. Next one would be our average. For this one, let's say we want to see the maximum amount for that week, and that's just going to be by tapping this one right here. And for the last one, let's have the minimum. Tap on it, and there you have it. So that's how quick you can have your total, your average, your maximum, your minimum, and even your count. If I select the whole range right here, so that's from week 1 to week 4, you will see the count of 20 right here. If we tap on that, it will automatically evade that space closest to the first column that you've selected. If we undo that, there you have it. But again, if I select it, you will have all the suggested formulas at the bottom right here. You will still have the total, the average, the maximum, the minimum, and the count. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly get the sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count here in the Google Sheets app without even entering a formula. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.